U, tr, u, true, b, u, bull, bull, f, u, full, full, p, u, pull, pull, p, u, bush, bush, p, u, push, push. Very good. Clap for yourselves, everybody. Shabash. And now we'll do the reading of page 12. Okay? So, can you see the picture, everybody? See the picture? And here it's a little terrier, Bobby. And he is sitting very sad. Yes? He is very sad. Yes. Why he was sad? Why he was looking sad? Because his master died. Yes. Very good, girls. Shabash. So we will start the lesson. With sad eyes, the little dog looked up, as if he were trying to say to the shopkeeper, "Please give me my bun." The man was so sorry for him that he gave him a bun. The dog trotted off with it in his mouth to his master's grave, where he ate it. Every day Bobby came for his bun at 1 o'clock, and he always got it. Policeman, chief, flower. Policeman, chief, flower. All day and all night long Bobby lay on his master's grave. Once Bobby was taken away by a policeman as a stray dog without a collar. The Lord Provost, the chief man of Edinburgh, heard of this and gave him a nice new collar. On it was printed Greyfriars Bobby. From the Lord Provost, 1867, 5 years later, Bobby died. His grave is in a flower bed near the gate of the churchyard. So, do you understand? Do the reading once again. If you have any difficulty, ask me, okay? But before that, we'll do all the difficult words for the dictation also, okay? So, are you ready, everybody? Little. Mark the words with me, okay? Little. Looked. Trying. Shopkeeper. Sorry. Trotted. Master. Bobby, policeman, chief, flower. Clear, everybody? I repeat all the words once again. Little, looked, trying, shopkeeper, sorry, trotted, master, Bobby, policeman, chief, flower. So, these all words are for dictation. Okay? Clear, everybody? Now we will do the copy work. हाँ जी बेटा जी. So after reading, we'll do the copy work. Okay? And first of all, as you all know, that we'll do the writing. Okay? So today we'll do G and H. How to make G. Now look at here. See my hand. Again, we'll make the slant line. Make C. T. Go up. Come down, make a loop, and this is G. Do you understand how to make G? See it again. Make a slant line, curve, make C, go up, again down, down, make a loop and make G. Okay? Same in this way we'll make H. Slant line. All the alphabets start with a slant line. Okay, remember this thing. So we'll make the slant line, go up, make a loop, come down, again go up, come down, and this is H. Do you understand how to make H? Slant line, go up, make a loop, come down, curve, come down, and this is H. So now we'll try to write here how to write it on the English copy. Okay? So Make a slant line. ठीक हो गया? Do you understand how to make G? This is the way to make G. Now we'll make H. So, G class 3. Will you enjoy how to do the joining writing? Yes? Good girls. So today we'll do G and H. Now after this you will do the similars. ठीक है? On your copies, opposites and double words today. ठीक हो गया? So G class 3. So after writing, ठीक है, give a very neat, excellent heading because today we'll start our new lesson. So give proper heading. Grey Friars Bobby on the very first line, not on the top green line. Do you understand? Clear everybody? So spell Greyfriars, Greyfriars, Greyfriars. Be careful about the spelling. ठीक? Greyfriars Bobby, Bobby, Bobby. ठीक हो गया? Underline the heading and then you will start the work. First of all, we'll do the similars. Faithful, faithful, loyal, Loyal, loyal. Terrier, terrier, a small dog. Laid to rest, buried, Buried, buried. Stray, without the master. Chief, leader, Leader. Leader. Churchyard, an area around the church. Once again I'll repeat. Faithful, loyal. Terrier, a small dog. Laid to rest, buried. Stray, without the master. Chief, leader. Churchyard, an area around the church. Now be careful about the spelling of chief. Chief, not Chief. ठीक है? Chief. Mind your spellings, everybody. Now the second thing is opposite. So we'll do the opposites afterward. Underline the heading. True, false. True, false. Master, slave. Master, slave. Always, never. Always, never. Push, pull. Push, pull. Sad, glad. Sad, glad. ठीक हो गया? Now the double words. Underline the heading. Night and night. Night, night. You know what is night, ठीक है? And Knight, night. Now we are going to make the sentences. The dog barks at night. Night, night. रात को. ठीक? The knights rode their horses bravely. Knight, knights. ठीक है जी? Now 8 and 8. ATE 8, EIGHT 8. Bobby always ate the bun on his master's grave. ATE 8. It is 8 o'clock now. EIGHT 8. ठीक हो गया? Do you understand everybody? Now we'll do the plurals. Singular plural. Farmer, farmers. Farmer, farmers. Fly, flies. FLIES. ठीक है? Glass, glasses. Glass, glasses. Tree, trees. Shelf, shelves. SHELVES, shelves. ठीक हो गया? So do all the work very neatly on the copy. Mind your spellings very carefully, everybody. ठीक हो गया? Till then, bye bye. Take care. God bless you all.